Exceptional train station is in front of the hotel. Exceptional, super worth the money, the breakfast is delicious and so many snacks for kids and adults. Exceptional, awesome place to stay. Exceptional, awesome place to stay. Good. Affordable and clean, affordable to stay and clean. You can have a drink and have an ice cream in pantry anytime. Perfect, all perfect, see you soon. Exceptional. Good. Good. Simple and clean breakfast is good. Good CP value, very nice and clean, just fit my needs. Breakfast is neat and enough, various food for me. Good hotel, clean, strategic location. Great stay, great location and comfy bed. Satisfy, good value for money. Very clean and helpful staff. Recommended. Very clean and beside the Jubei train station. I wanted a hotel room near the train station and the choice with Cloud could not be better. With the train station within 100 meters, it was easy to get onto the train to Hsinchu city and also to the HSR. The hotel is new and the single room is considered big, well kept and clean. For the price point, the room is great and I was comfortable staying it in. Wonderful stay with great play within. Our kids love the indoor playground within the room. Wonderful experience staying in the room. Clean and spacious for kids to run around and parents to chill. Great and convenient location. Clean and nice space. Was pleasantly surprised to get a free upgrade and have a massage chair in the room. Awesome location within walking distance of the train station with Family Mart, and 7-Eleven nearby and Simple Mart just downstairs next door. Pleasant and friendly staff too. We'll definitely revisit again when we are back in Jubei. Perfect, very good. Communication with the staff is great, the room is big and the bed comfy. The food is delicious as well and varied. Booked for a friend, no complaints, good location. Exceptional clean rooms. Comfortable stay. Convenient hotel. The young hotel in Jubei was exactly what I needed. The room rate was reasonable, the room was comfortable, the included breakfast was okay, and the hotel itself was conveniently located just a few paces from the Jubei train station. I especially appreciated that rooms at the young hotel are outfitted with a water dispenser for hot and room temperature water, and that the hotel allows guests to do self-service laundry for free. There are convenience stores as well as restaurants within easy walking distance. Exceptional good stay. Excellent staff were nice, accessible location, clean rooms. Business trip. Overall spacious and quiet. A few staff members didn't speak English but were friendly and patient with me. My room was clean and room service came daily. Wonderful stay. Loved the indoor play within the family room. Kids were so excited and it's more attractive than the TV. Clean and comfortable stay for the family.